Hi, I'm Iggy with Lincoln Electric, and today we're going to be going over the difference between conventional and high-definition plasma cutting systems. Conventional plasma uses compressed air and electricity to propel the plasma through a metal plate at thousands of degrees. Torch consumables focus the plasma into a strict stream that works for most types of metal cutting. However, if you want even a higher cut quality, consider using a mixed gas or high-definition cutting system. Conventional plasma systems include our FlexCut 80 and 125 systems. The FlexCut 80 is capable of cutting up to 3/4 inch mild steel, and the FlexCut 125 has a production cut capacity of 1 inch mild steel. Both of these conventional plasma cutters use patented consumables designed to last up to 3 times longer than other conventional air plasma systems. The FlexCut 80 and 125 are capable of cutting on both plate and pipe. The 200 amp FlexCut 200 is a mixed gas cutting system that allows you to use both oxygen and nitrogen to improve cut quality without moving all the way up to an HD power supply. The dual gas capability allows you to control both the cutting and shielding gas to improve your cut quality. With a pierce capacity of up to 1 1/4 inch mild steel, the FlexCut 200 can handle a variety of materials and thicknesses, bringing you a strong mid-range plasma unit between conventional air and a full HD system. High-definition plasma cutting systems are designed and engineered to give you the sharpest, highest quality cut that plasma can achieve. Multiple gases and mixtures are used to give you the optimal results on a multitude of materials. The FineLine high-definition plasma cutting systems use a combination of the Magnum Pro plasma torch, patented consumable design, and our advanced technologies to provide you a precise gas flow that creates a consistent plasma arc. This can produce cleaner and smoother edge finishes, which can help reduce the need for secondary processing such as grinding or weld prep. The FineLine cutting systems deliver exceptional cut quality when cutting mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. This family of FineLine plasma cutting and marking systems gives you 2 options. The 170 amp FineLine 170 HD has the ability to pierce mild steel up to 1.25 inches. And the 300 amp FineLine 300 HD can pierce mild steel up to 1.75 inches. With the FineLine in your arsenal, it will give you the flexibility to cut a large range of materials. Whether the material is a flat plate, structural beam, or pipe, the FineLine high-definition plasma cutting system delivers excellent cut quality. To find out more about our plasma cutting power supplies and our line of CNC plasma cutting tables, give us a call at 866-571-1066.